Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I bleached this hair from Isee hair. I got 4 bundles in the closure, 2 24s, 2 22s, and a 6x6 closure, 18 inches. Okay, I'm going to be bleaching this hair to a brown color. No blondes today. We're going to be doing straight brown. And I just wanted to see how this color was going to come out. I never did brown hair before, so I decided to just do brown hair to see how it would come out and how I would do it bleaching and then dyeing it. So as you can see, we are using BW2 bleach. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. We are using BW2 bleach powder. I wanted a different type of levels within my hair of the brown. So I'm using a 20 volume developer, and I'm also using a 30 volume developer. So I use the 20 volume developer on the 122 inch bundle and 124 inch bundle. And then I'm going to use the 30 volume developer on the other 22 inch bundle and on the other 24 inch bundle. Okay. Whew. So first I'm just literally pouring the bleach on there with the brush. I wanted to show y'all, how to do it the correct way. If I wasn't recording this, I literally would have been using my hands to put this on there. So I just put the bleach on there, and after I put the bleach on there, you just want to comb it through to make sure that the bleach is being spread evenly throughout the hair. You don't want the bleach to only get on a couple strands of hair and then towards the bottom on some, or maybe towards the top on some, because then it won't look right. We want our hair to have a really nice consistency with the color throughout the hair. You don't want to show where it stopped or where it started. So you want to make sure that you're combing through the hair or brushing through it. And after you do that, you just want to flip it over and repeat the process. Put the bleach on there. You want to put it on there put it on there horizontally, and then brush it through vertically where the top of the bundle is, towards the weft, just so it can have kind of like an ombre effect, if you would say. So yeah, you just want to make sure that you're getting the bleach throughout the hair. Flip it over, pour the bleach, brush it through horizontally, vertically, comb it through, flip it over, do the same thing, and then wrap it in some foil. I used foil today just because I wanted to see how fast this hair would actually bleach. It did catch my eye off guard because I forgot that I was only lifting it to brown, and I kind of slipped up a little bit, but the color still came out cute. So right now you just see that I'm just literally pouring this on here, and I put too much on the first one, but that's okay because I still have a lot of bleach left to bleach the other 2 bundles and the closure. So yeah guys, I'm just bleaching this through and repeating the process over again, combing it, then putting more bleach on there, using the brush to spread it through, combing it again, brushing it through horizontally and vertically. And now as you can see, I'm just pouring the 30 volume developer into the bucket of bleach, just to get prepared for my other 2 bundles. And y'all, this is really repetitive, literally. I'm literally doing the same thing over and over to the 2 bundles and the closure that I have left to do. I left this on here for probably 15-20 minutes. I didn't leave it on long because, like I said, I wanted to just bleach it to a brown. And the hair took this bleach so fast, y'all. Just some specs on this hair. This hair is great. I've been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks, maybe a month now. Well, going on a month, and it is great. Literally, the body wave texture of it is amazing. It doesn't tangle. It barely sheds. It's full, it's thick, the closure is amazing. This was my first time working with a 6x6 closure, and I actually love it. I was scared at first because I didn't know how it was going to look on me, because my head is small, right? So the 5x5 closure already gets on my head perfectly, but I didn't know how the 6x6 closure was going to work. But I'm glad I got it. And Isee hair, Isee Beauty, Isee Princess, whatever they call their company, they get a 10 out of 10 for me. This hair was great, and it bleached great, it dyed great. Everything went well with it. As you can see, I'm having some trouble with my closure, but I got it together. That's all that matters. Okay, so I let this sit, the closure, the bundles, I let everything sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I washed it first with Shimmer Light shampoo, then I washed it with some regular coconut shampoo, and then I let it air dry. I made the wig, put some serum on it, curled the hair, and this is how the color came out. For the color, I used Revlon color dye in the color 54 light golden brown, 47 medium rich brown, and I used 20 brown black for the roots because I did get some bleach on the roots of the closure, so I just used some dye to fix that and covered it up. And this is how the color came out, y'all. Everything was so pretty, so nice, and I loved it. So here's an update on the hair 3 weeks later. Hey guys, so this is like a quick update on the hair. I straightened the hair from this past weekend, and I just wanted to give y'all like some updates on the hair and how the hair went and everything like that. So this past weekend I was like a homecoming for my undergraduate school, so I was like around a lot of like smoke, barbecue smoke, humidity, and I was walking, sweating and stuff like that, and the hair held up great. Like, the hair held up, and there was no tangling in the nape area and none of that. The curls held up fine, everything held up fine, and even like the dye, the color was just beautiful. So, however, when I got home, the hair was really frizzy. I'm not gonna lie, the hair got really frizzy. Sorry if y'all can't hear me, hold on. The hair got really frizzy, and instead of me like washing it and trying to like recurl it and, you know, redo the hair the way I did it for this past weekend, I just went ahead and straightened it. And y'all, this hair, well, you can't really tell right now because it's been a long day, but this morning and yesterday the hair straightened beautifully. Like, it's so soft, so silky. I haven't ran a brush through this hair since I unwrapped it this morning, and it doesn't tangle at all, y'all. This hair does not tangle at all. It straightens well, and I think like the only reason why it hasn't, I feel like the only reason why it hasn't been its full potential is because I haven't washed it and gotten rid of all of like because it still smells like outside smoke, stuff like that. So I feel like I need to wash it and re-straighten it so I can see it in its full potential. But as of right now, as of me not washing it, straightening or anything like that, the hair is great. Like, because it's still kind of frizzy towards the end of the hair, but other than that, y'all, like, this hair is great. Like I said, I haven't ran a brush through this hair all day, and I'm literally running my fingers through it like I just got it out of the bundle. So this hair is great. Isee hair is great. I feel like I'm going to order from this company again, just because I want to see how the hair does without me dyeing it. But for me dyeing it, it has been really good. And like I said, I'm gonna wash it and then re-straighten it just so I can see, like, you know, it in its fullest potential. But other than that, the hair is great. So that's all I have on this hair, y'all. This hair is from Isee Hair. I got a 6x6 closure. I got two 24-inch bundles, two 22-inch bundles, and an 18-inch closure. I put it all on a wig, dyed it, as y'all saw in the beginning of the video. And yeah, like, this hair is great. I'm going to order from this company again. So if you all like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.